Two receivers left. Moore in the pistol eye. Dedrick Mills behind him. Tight end right, Bledsoe. The other tight end right next to him is Zach Bird. Tip-tap motion, Bledsoe. Snap, hand from Mills. Goes right, cut back left. Did he get in? Yes! Touchdown, Garden City! Dedrick Mills from a yard out on the second effort. And it's 10-9 with 7:49 to go.
Coyotes scored on a 13-play drive, and they got to be getting close to double digits on this one. 2nd and 7 from the 26. Pistol snap for Johnny Foto. It's Pruitt finding space to the left. Breaks away from the defenders to the 15. 10-5. Coyote touchdown. DeMarco Pruitt. Same play as he had last week when he had a 54-yard touchdown. This one goes for 6 for 26 yards as the Coyotes match the Ravens on the board.